Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to be looking at how to solve equation when there's a variable on both sides, and that's really important to note. So I've listed out the steps I'm going to follow, and number 3 is the additional step. So we'll distribute if we need to first. We'll combine any like terms on each side of the equation. Number 3 is the new part here. We're going to have to move all the variables to one side before we can continue solving. So I'm going to do 3 examples here with you. I'm going to do number 1, number 7, and number 11 so you can see a variety of problems. So this first problem has no distribution to do. There's no parentheses telling us to multiply. So I'm moving on to step 2, which is combining like terms. Well, if you cover up the right side and only look at the 5y minus 8, those are not like terms. And same if I cover up the other side. There are no like terms to combine. So I really don't have any work to do for steps 1 and 2. So I'm going to focus on this new piece, moving the variables to one side. The y's, which are my variables, are split. I like to keep my y value positive. So if I move this plus positive 3 over, the y will stay positive. Right now it's a positive 3. So to move it, I need to subtract because we know that the inverse of addition is subtraction. So now it's off of the right side, and I've moved it to the left side as a negative 3. 5y take away 3y is 2y. The minus 8 has been untouched, and the positive 12 has been untouched. Now we're back to a 2-step problem, and we are very familiar with these at this point. To remove the minus 8, I would add 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. To remove the 2 attached to the y, which is multiplying with the y, I would divide. And y is equal to 10. So this was our new step here. Moving that 3y that's on the right over to the left by using the inverse sign. It was a positive 3y. We had to move it by subtracting. I want you to flip your page with me and look at number 7 because the rest of what's on the front is similar to number 1. Let's take a look at number 7 and see what's in an additional piece here. In number 7, we've got these parentheses with a number right beside it, which is telling us we have to distribute first. So that's my first step. I need to multiply the 3 by everything on the inside of the parentheses. 3 times 6p is 18p. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And I can just bring down the right side. Now I want to combine any like terms if I have them. So let's check. Cover up the right side. I've got 18p minus 3. Nothing can be combined there. Cover up the left side. I've got 11p minus 45. Nothing can be combined there. So now, if I can't combine like terms, I have to get these two p's together somehow, and that is moving it across the equals. Here's where I use my inverse operation. This 11p is positive, and I'm going to subtract it to remove it from the right side. To balance the equation, I subtracted on the left side as well. So now it's no longer on the right, it's on the left as a negative 11p, and now I can combine these two like terms. 18p take away 11p is 7p. And the only thing left on the right is that negative 45. Another 2-step equation. I can work right on through now. Add the 3. Negative 45 plus 3 is negative 42. This 7 is a multiplier, so I'll divide it to get rid of it. Negative 42 divided by 7 is negative 6. Okay, come back to my next video and I'll tackle a couple of these really difficult problems down below.